Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Boombox 3 third generation wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, if this speaker is not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it's not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you just can't get it fixed and you want to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a speaker that I have and that I like a lot. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you want to clear the pairing history, delete all the settings, get them back to the way they were when they came out of the box, so you can set this up like you're setting up a new speaker on a new phone or whatever. It's really easy. All you need to do is turn the speaker on. Once the speaker is on, you're just going to find the play button and the volume up button. And you're just going to press and hold these two buttons simultaneously for more than 3 seconds. After those 3 seconds or so, the speaker will turn off and then it will reboot. And when it reboots, it will reboot into its factory default settings, and then you can set this speaker like you're just taking it out of the box.